OBS Studio will help you make high-quality recordings for your YouTube videos. Let's see how we can use OBS Studio. Download and install OBS Studio. You can get the download link from the description. After installation, open your OBS Studio and you will see this type of interface. On the bottom right, you will see a settings option. Click on this, and here you can adjust settings according to your preference. For now, I will make some changes in the output option. Click on this, and in the recording section, you can change your recording location and set the recording format to fragmented MP4. Then click on Apply to save the settings. As you can see, for now, we have a black screen. Don't worry, I'm here to help. In the source section, you will see a plus icon. Click on this, select Display Capture, then choose Create New and hit OK. If you want to adjust some settings here, you can do it. After completing all settings, click on the OK button, and it will automatically add our window screen in OBS Studio. Now you can record high-quality videos using OBS Studio.